Hey, you guys, let me tell you about these ugly house shoes for little boys. Okay, you guys, I went to Dollar General, all right, when they had their clearance sale. And I kept passing these ugly shoes up. I just kept passing them, kept passing them. And I'm like, man, let me grab these things. Went to the counter. These bad boys rung up for 30 cents. These house shoes are now the best looking house shoes I have ever seen. Do you hear me? And in this video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these house shoes. This will be the focal point of my Easter basket, okay? And let me show you the original price. It's $5. These shoes right here will be the focal point of the basket. All right, and I love getting toys for free, or if not, dirt cheap, because it helps. Well, first, the main thing is I get a bigger profit. And the second thing is it helps me balance out the baskets that I did spend a little change on, okay? So I just want to throw that out there. So let's take a look at what we did with these shoes. Okay, you guys, with these house shoes, the theme that came to mind is Toy Story. So if you go to Dollar General and you happen to pick up these shoes, this is just a thing that you can do with them. All right. And there you have it. That's the first pair. That's the first pair, you guys. Now, let's take a look and see what we did with the second pair. Okay, you guys, this is what we did with the second pair of house shoes. We're gonna rock with Yoda. They kind of look like Yoda feet, don't they? Well, it's gonna be Yoda today. All right. So that's the second thought I had in my head. We'll just go ahead and make Yoda have some Yoda stuff. I'm like, ooh, these about to be Yoda feet. So this is the Yoda basket. And there you have it. Okay, you guys, y'all have a blessed one.